How to turn up professional mode on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on a device. Log in to your account. Now tap three-line menu icon at top right corner and head towards your profile at top of the screen. You can see here See Dashboard. This means my account has turned on professional mode on Facebook. To turn it off, tap three dots at bottom right corner next to Advertise. And then, on this profile setting page, tap on Turn Off Professional Mode. Now, you need to tap on Turn Off button at bottom of the screen. But before that, you need to simply know all the changes when you turn off Professional Mode. So any of your existing insights will no longer be available. You will receive pending payments, but you won't or earn money on your profile when professional mode is turned off. Likewise, you will no longer have access to professional dashboard or any professional mode tools. You can easily go through all this information and once you are done, tap turn off. And then the professional mode on Facebook will be successfully turned off. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.